Okay, I'm across the street from a school, playground, baseball field. Right there is a cell tower. And I'm not showing any radiation coming from that tower. Okay. Okay, so this is recording. Actually, it's not really doing anything. Hold on. This is a good way of showing what it's putting out and where it's located. It's a great app for that. So. Okay, so it's very hard for me to see, but this is the spectrometer. I'm right next to the tower, so I'm thinking it should be higher. I don't know why it's not. Still trying to figure this all out.